Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to fix sound issues during Messenger video calls on your Android phone. These quick steps should help you get your audio working again. Open the Messenger app, tap the menu, then go into Settings. From here, check the notifications and sound options. Make sure that both notifications and sound are turned on. Now head into your phone's system settings. Scroll down to Apps, find Messenger, and confirm that notifications are allowed. Expand the options and check things like pop-up notifications as well. After adjusting these settings, restart your phone. This helps apply the changes and often clears up minor glitches. If the sound problem is still there, clear Messenger's storage. Go to System Settings, open Apps, choose Messenger, then tap Storage, and clear data. This resets the app, which usually fixes persistent audio issues. Finally, make sure your phone's volume is turned up and it's not on silent mode. Sometimes the simplest fix is just unmuting your device. And that's it. By checking Messenger's settings, system permissions, and your phone's volume, you should be able to fix sound issues during video calls. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to clear conversations.